The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the next year flagship level device which is packing some incredible hardware inside. Like we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 which is going to be 38% better in terms of CPU, 48% better in GPU and 60% better in the NPU department. Also we have a 45% better in the power efficiency department. Now another area where most of the leakers haven't been pointed out is going to be the storage and the RAM option. Like this year S22 Ultra was coming with a UFS 3.1 storage and the LPDDR5 RAM inside. But if you look at the Samsung technologies which could be implemented in the S23 Ultra will be the UFS 4.0 and the LPDDR5X. Basically this new storage option of UFS 4.0 will be giving you a double the data transfer speed of up to 23 GB per second, a 45% better in the overall efficiency of read and write speed, and on top of that it's going to be 46% more power efficient, and you will also get a better security, and all of this is going to be implemented in 1 mm of thickness which include a 1 TB of option. So definitely combining all of this will make your device even faster and slimmer next year. Also the LPDDR5 is going to be 1.3 times faster than its predecessor, and it's going to be even 20% more power efficient. Now with this LPDDR5X you will get an 8.5 GB of processing speed. So definitely combining this new processor, new UFS 4.0 storage and a new LPDDR5X RAM option, your device is going to be blazing fast next year, and it can surpass even the best of the best which is the Apple A14 Pro Max quite significantly. We already saw the glimpse of that in the Geekbench listing where we have a 5100 Geekbench score which has surpassed the Apple A16. So definitely we can expect that the next year S23 Ultra will be one of the fastest devices available. Not only that, the battery efficiency is going to be even much more enhanced. Combining all of this will even give you a better battery capacity than this year S22 Ultra. So definitely there is no problem having a 5000 mAh battery when you have the more power efficient hardware present inside. So I'm pretty much excited about this new S23 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about that? Other specification about the S23 Ultra, that we have the same design language as this year S22 Ultra, no difference in here. We have an upgraded 200 megapixel sensor to be coming for the S23 Ultra which will be having an 8K video recording with 30 frames per second. We also have the same 1750 nits of peak brightness, and it's going to be coming with 120 Hz refresh rate. Yes, we have the upgrade in the durability department. Here we have a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 which is going to be protecting your display. Along with that they are even going to be protect your glass on the cameras. The launch of the device is going to be happening on February 1st, and also you will getting the same pricing in the US as this year S22 Ultra. So guys, overall I'm super excited about that particular device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.